Alright my friends, so in the last video we have finished our Kotlin section and we have learned about the fundamentals of Kotlin. Things like variables, functions, loops, and so on. In this video and on, we are going to change our path to work with Android Studio. Android Studio, it is the IDE or the integrated development environment that we are going to use to build Android applications. Android Studio, it is going to help us a lot. Has a lot of great capabilities, and you will see in the next video the interface, and you will be amazed with what Android Studio can help us with. In this video, we are going to show you how you can install Android Studio on Mac. And of course, if you are a Windows user, feel free to skip this video and watch the next video where I'm going to show you how you can download, install Android Studio for Windows. So in this video, for the Mac users, I want you to jump over here on your web browser and search for download Android Studio, like so. Here we have a couple of search results. I want you here to read the URL where it says developer.android.com, which is the official website for Android Studio. Click on it right here, and it will open the official website for Android Studio. Here we have the Android Studio, we have the version, we have the size. Okay, and of course feel free to read about it more, but in the next video I will show you the interface myself, so you can skip the whole process. Anyways, here we have this download button right here. I want you to click on it. It will ask you to accept the license agreement and all about terms and conditions and so on. So make sure you read it before you check this box right here. Okay, I'm not gonna read it, okay, for the time being, because it will take a lot of time, but in your case I highly encourage you to read more about it. I'm gonna check this box right here and click on download Android Studio for Mac. It will start the download process, and here I'm just gonna cancel it because I already have it installed in my case. So I'm just gonna cancel it. Okay. Once the download is finished, you can here open the Finder. We have this Android Studio. Like so, we have this Android Studio.dmg file. Double click it to open it. It will open the installation file, and here we can drag and drop Android Studio to the applications folder, and it will start the installation process. Now a quick note before we end this video: the downloading and the installation process will take a lot of time, as well as because they are quite a big file, Android Studio. Now you may be wondering, or you may be asking yourself, hey, this is only 733 megabytes. This number here, it's essentially for Android Studio itself, the program, but you need also the SDK, the JDK if you are Windows users. These all also an extra size for the installation. So that's why it will take about 1.5 gigabyte, I think, something around this. So just be patient, because it will take some while to download and install Android Studio. But once it's finished installing Android Studio and the SDK will come automatically when Android Studio, the installation, detect that you are missing the SDK. It will recommend or encourage you to install it as well. So you will see a couple of installations beside Android Studio. Now here, once it's finished, click on the Android Studio icon right here. It will take some seconds depending on your operating system, and it will open Android Studio right here. And here is the interface for Android Studio. Now, if it's the first time for you to open Android Studio, it will download some binary files, and also it will take some time depending on your internet speed connection, or internet connection speed. Anyways, so this is the interface for Android Studio. In the next video, we are going to explain the interface that we are seeing right now. So hopefully that makes sense. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you in the next one.